Alright guys, welcome back to another video today. I'm currently driving. I'm actually on my way back home with something new for some of you may know it as the black truck, some of you may know it as the gray truck. I recently had it wrapped, well recently as in about, I'd say a little over a year, well close to 2 years now, which is crazy. But as you can see, you have some wheels in the bed, and they're the old wheels, as you probably know. So I'm sure you're curious to see wheels that I've got on it now. I mean, I guess the mirror view makes it kind of look the same, but I think a lot of you guys might really like these wheels. A lot of you guys might really hate them, but just a little backstory. I mean, it's been quite a long time coming to end these wheels. I mean, they're the setup I've probably wanted for years. I mean, ever since I got into the whole truck thing. So I think they look great on the truck. Definitely curious to see how you guys like them. So yeah, we're gonna get home. It's Sunday evening, and I'm probably gonna record, I'm gonna say next weekend, to finish up this video to give you guys the proper full reveal of the new wheel and tire setup for the gray truck. Let's just say quite the upgrade. So stay tuned guys, hope you enjoy this video. Alright guys, so here we are with the truck. I actually bought these wheels close to a month ago at this point, and just haven't really had the time to record the video to show pretty much what they are and everything. I was also waiting to hopefully, I have chrome lug nuts for these. Not that you could really see really easily, but I do have chrome lug nuts for them. And I went to put them on today and they're the wrong. I don't think I did, but they're M14 by 1.5, and these studs need M14 by 2s, but anyways, quite the difference compared to the last setup that was on the truck. Not sure if you could tell yet, but they are these are 26 by 16s fuel wheels on 40 by 15.5 inch tires. So that going from a 20 by 12 on 36s. No, not a 20 by 12, a 20 by 14 on 36s. It's quite the difference. I mean, if you walk up to them, those are dirty, so I don't even want to go there, but I mean, they're huge. Crazy lip on them for sure. Super pleased with them. They ride good so far and whatnot, so I really can't complain. It looks crazy going down the road. Brakes necks. All around, just very pleased with how the truck's looking now. And it kind of makes me want to start doing all sorts of stuff to it again. Hopefully this winter. I've got this other project going on right now. It's a huge project. I think I told you about the shorty build, that I'm redoing the cab and everything, which I should have videos coming out on that soon. But once I get somewhat through with that, or maybe just like side projects this winter, I want to kind of go all out with this thing again. Get frame plates, powder coated frame plates for the front and rear of it. Maybe get coil front suspension. Definitely getting that windshield tinted ASAP. I don't know, we'll see what else comes. Eventually I want to put a different engine in it. This has a ton of work done to this current engine, but I think it's getting a little tired. I don't know that for sure. It's hard. It has maybe a little bit of blow by. Not really enough for me to say that it's blown up or anything, but I don't know. If I have the time at some point and I'm doing a bunch of work to it, I might just take the engine out, put all the performance parts on a different engine and throw it back in. But I'm gonna get some better clips of this truck to show you guys how it looks and give you guys the full effect on it. But just to show you how wide it sits, I mean the wheels are turned, but it's like over half the wheels sticking out. Oh, by the way, I do still have 2-inch spacers on it as well, so it makes it huge to say the least. So I'm gonna try to get some drive-by video clips for you guys to give the full effect. Alright guys, so I know nothing really crazy in this video, but just wanted to give you guys the update on the gray truck, since this is kind of the original truck to the channel, and how long, you know, it's come a long way since the first videos I've taken with it. But I hope you guys do enjoy the wheel setup. I know some people hate these, but they're huge. I mean, those tires, videos don't really do it justice on how big it really is, but those tires are above my waist. But I mean, I'm not huge, I'm 5'8", but they're they're above my waist, to give you any reference. But definitely want to keep going with this truck and do a lot more to it. I'm hoping I definitely said this last summer, but I'm definitely hoping to get it to some shows next summer. I want to actually get in some booths with it though. Like, I don't want to just park that in the grass, so we'll see what I can do to make that happen. But just real loving it. And I know I don't have the grill paint matched or matched the wrap, but I actually think it's going pretty well with the polished wheels. And some of you guys might say it, but the wheels definitely do need to be polished. Like, I do know that. So to try to get that to happen this winter. I don't really want to do it right now because it's, you know, this is when I want to drive the truck and everything. But lots more to come, guys. If you're curious on anything else that I've done with this truck, there's a whole playlist of the truck on this channel, so feel free to watch that. Anyways, before I lose my run out of storage again, watch the playlist to see how the truck's gotten to this in the past. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you want to see next with this truck. Plenty more to come. I've got a bunch of 7.3 builds coming up on the channel, so you're going to want to subscribe for that. Stay tuned, like the video. Thanks for watching.